Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today, in the daily newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's today, Thursday, August the 26th, 2021. We have here only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. But in this newspaper, there's also an additional with a lot of puzzles and Sudokus. Today, I think there are 9. Yes, there are 9 extra Sudokus, and 5 of them I will solve. So, a lot of brain exercises for you. Yes, so let's get started with this baby, and this one will be number 3298. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right. So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. Then. What are the other 3 missing numbers? 1, the 2 is missing. 3, the 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 2, 6, and 4. Alright. 2, 6, and 4. 2, 6, and 4. So the 1, the 7, and 5. 1, 7, and 5. Okay. Let's continue. 3 in this row. 3 in a row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then let me see. 1. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 7. We have a 3 and a 7 in this third row, so no 3 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 1, 5. And the 6 is missing. 1, 5, 6. 1, 5, 6. Alright, 1, 5, 6. 2, 8, 9. Okay. Okay. Well, we have a pair in the third row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2, so no 2 in that box. So the 2 could be here, could be there, together with the 9. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a pair here. So those 3 missing numbers are the 1, the 5, and the 6. 1, 5, 6, that means a 1 box left in the third row for the number 8. Alright, so we have 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. Apologies. My tripod is not working well. 4 missing numbers. Let me continue. In this big square, 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 and a 2 in this column. So no 1 and 2 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and then 1 goes here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and the 7. Alright. Alright. Then we have a pair again. 1 and a 7 in this middle row. 1 and a 7 in the row below. So the 1 and a 7 in that row should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. Alright. Now we have 3, 3, yeah. 3, 3. Let me see. 9, 9. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. There are 5 in this column, so no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 4 and a 9. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in the middle column. For the number 5, yes, 5 is missing. Alright. Then yeah, the second column. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 in the second column should be there. Alright. Alright. Okay. Then 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number in the last row is the number 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Yeah. Alright. 6, 7, 2. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6. 2, 2. 6. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, the 2 is missing. Okay, the 2. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and the 4. Okay. Six and 5. Okay. Okay. Two. Yeah. One of these 3 missing numbers in this big square is the number 1. So we have a 1 in one of those 3 boxes in the third row. We have a 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And we have a pair. 1 and a 7 in this column. 1 and a 7 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 1 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 7. So what are the other 3 numbers in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. The 6 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 9 is missing. Okay. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Right. 1166 and the 5. Okay. 157. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the third column. Here we have 6 and a 4. So what are the other 3 numbers? The 1 is missing. The 5 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 157. Look, we have a 1 and a 5 in the last row. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5. So 1 digit left. Should be the 7 here. Okay, so 1 box left in the last row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 5. 1. 6. 1. Interesting. 7. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 3 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 376. And look, we have a 3 and a 7 in the last column, so no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and a 7 goes in those two boxes, so one digit left should be the 6. Now we have a 6 here, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 3. Alright. Yeah. What are the other 3 numbers in this big square? The 4 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here and ain't no 8 there, here and ain't no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 3 and 4, we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. On the last column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 5 and the 9. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here. So this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 2. 5 in this column. Oh, wait. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and a 6. 2 and the 6. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, and a 9. 5 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6. 1 and a 6. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 7. And the final 2 numbers, the 2 and the 7, we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 80 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one, yes, I really do. For a Sudoku with 26 printed digits, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. And for 2 star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve, and I've solved this in 80 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other Sudokus for the brain exercises. Yes, in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.